Say hello to Sean. Good dog. Good dog. Yeah. Good boy.
Yes.
Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes, good dog. Okay, we gotta go, Choco. I know, and you got the little brown eyes of a Labrador. Yeah, huh?
I don't work tomorrow till 1:30. I think we could maybe bring Buddy out here, but I just don't want Buddy traumatized by coming back to this place.
Your mother's not gonna let.
Show us a video though.
Well, I will,
This
but I mean,
dog isn't gonna be jumping all over Mom, though. You know what I'm saying?
no, she just isn't gonna go for another large dog. Yeah, but I mean, in what if they have problems, you know?
We just have to figure out something.
Gone.
Well, no, I agree there.
Yeah, I chuckle. I know, we're trying, buddy. We're trying.
Yes. What? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Want to try the ball? Not too big on the ball.
No.